My name is Sean Schoonmaker. I'm the Director of Operations for Stratasys Direct's Tucson, Arizona site, where we specialize in SLA and P3 DLP. Stratasys Direct services just about every industry out there, from automotive, aerospace and defense, medical, industrial, consumer and commercial products, entertainment, you name it. We really specialize in clear parts, so parts that get sanded and two-part clear coated, which are used for different applications like fit check of internal components, fluid flow analysis, training tools, visual aids, and light pipes. Stratasys Direct has been running SLA for over 30 years. Always been on the lookout for advantages in speed, size, quality, and reliability. And the Neo 800 Plus checks all those boxes. It has a massive 800 by 800 by 600 millimeter build size, which allows us to build really large parts without the need to segment and bond, which saves us a lot of time. The Neo line of printers is just proven to be a low maintenance workhorse, which is exactly the type of machine you want on your production floor. One of the biggest benefits of the Neo 800 Plus over its predecessor is speed. And with a 50% reduction in build time, we've seen instances where we've saved over 3 days, and that's given us a real competitive advantage in the service bureau industry. Watershed is one of our best-selling materials because it works so well for a lot of different applications and it has really fast processing speeds. The new Watershed XC Plus material offers the same great clarity, mechanical properties, and easy processing that we've all known to come and love from the original Watershed, but now it runs faster coupled with the Neo 800 Plus. The titanium software is intuitive and easy to use. Being able to create custom recoat range settings on the fly is very helpful for speeding things up. We decided to invest in the DEMI automated resin removal equipment by PostProcess because a traditional SLA cleaning method was extremely time-consuming and messy. With the DEMI automated resin removal equipment, we can wash full platforms of parts in a cleaning cycle that only takes 10 minutes. The DEMI equipment also allows process controls over time, temp, and agitation to ensure that each part is processed the same way. Since implementing the DEMI automated resin removal equipment, our post-process workflow is much cleaner because all of the resin is contained within the system. The process is safer as we are working with less hazardous and flammable liquids. We've reduced our overall solvent usage, we've reduced our overall waste disposal cost, and we've increased our throughput without having to increase our headcount.